I'll repeat the song. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I am going to be bringing you guys some more cleaning motivation. I am going to be cleaning my living room and my dining room, and I'm going to be putting some fall decor up. I couldn't think of what I was gonna do, but right now what I'm doing is I'm writing a list of everything that I want to get done today, and I hope that this video brings you some motivation to get some cleaning done. So the first thing that I'm going to do is start off by reading my Bible and praying. I have been doing this a lot lately. This has been helping me so much. I am now a mother of 4 and it can be rough sometimes. So I like to read my Bible and pray and ask God to help me be a better wife, a better mother, a better sister, a better friend, a better daughter. So that's what I was doing there. Now I am just picking up my living room. I am going to put everything away. So right now it's me against the fly. I don't know if you saw me like swatting the fly away, but oh my goodness, they've been getting on my nerves so bad lately. So now I'm just going to finish putting everything where it belongs and just cleaning this area so that way I can start decorating it. So I hate having carpet in the living room. I just do not like it. It's been really hard trying to keep this carpet clean. I have 2, well, now 3 little ones, and so it gets messy. I tell them to go and eat it gets messy, right, Jordan? I tell them to go and eat their snacks and stuff on the dining room table, and sometimes it's just so much easier for them just to bring it to the living room, and so I just can't wait to get rid of it. So now I'm just organizing this entertainment center. I have the baby's diapers, both the newborn and Zachariah, which is my 2-year-old. I have their diapers under or in this basket, and so I was just organizing this and restocking it. So now it's time to attend to my baby. He did really well this day. He's been doing really good on the swing. So I had him on the swing and then he woke up. So it's time to change him and it's time to feed him before I move on to the dining room. Now moving on to the dining room, I'm just gonna clear off this table and just clean this area really well before I start decorating the entire house. Not the entire house, but this the dining room and the living room. Why do you always want to make me appear? So now moving on to decorating the living room and the dining room. I am placing everything that I have on the dining room table. I purchased a lot of this stuff last year whenever it went on sale, so I got a majority of it for 90% off. So I was really excited about that, and I totally forgot about everything that I got until I pulled it out, and it just made me so happy because it's so sparkly and so like festive. But here I am just placing it where I thought it would look good. Okay, Jordan, can you put it back, please? I don't think this is gonna last very long. These kids want to grab everything. Are you too excited? What am I? Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.